Hi, I'm Paul Clark from Redmoon Software, and today I'm going to demo to you the Secure Admin plugin for Jira. This plugin allows you to restrict access to the main administration tabs, so projects, issues, user management, system, and add-ons. The tabs will still be available at the top of the screen, but you will not get access to any of the functionality within those tabs. Now, because of this, you need to be very careful when setting this plugin up. Probably the best thing you need to do to start with is to add in your own name to the configuration screen access. This says no matter what the other restrictions are, this person will get access to the add-ons tab and to the secure admin or vertical tab here to get access to this configuration. If you lock yourself out, you will have to uninstall the plugin to get access back again. It's also a good reason to have only the minimum people set up to access this screen, because people who have access to the screen have access to all the tabs because they can add themselves in manually. So when setting this up, I'll firstly say, well, the reasons for having this plugin is so that you can farm out the administration tasks to other users. So say I want to have Chad and Joe do user management and add new users without me having to do it myself, and Chad to have project and issues administration ability as well as myself. Okay, the first thing is you'll need to add in the people who will have administration access all the time. So that basically the super users, in this case just me. Incidentally, if all these are empty here, then everyone who has access to the administration areas currently has access. So it only starts restricting access once you add users in here. Okay, so this is saying I have access to all these tabs and to the secure admin configuration screen. Now, as I said before, I'm going to say that Chad has access to projects tab, and Chad has access to issues, and Chad and Joe have access to user management. Let's save that. Now, anyone else who has access to the administration tabs normally now will be locked out, apart from myself for these tabs, Chad for these three, and Joe for this one. That's basically all you need to do for the setup. To show you how this works, I'll remove myself from the Projects tab and save that. Now, if I click on Projects, you'll see it says Access Denied. That is basically the message you'll see. None of the functionality is available, and people don't have access to any of those administration functions. That's basically it for the demo. Thanks very much. Just drop me a line if you have any questions, and thanks.